Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Anastasia and I'm working like a sales manager in ZENA Cosmetics team. Especially for professional cosmetologists, we prepare an online training and starter kit that will help you to create a new procedure in your salon or make your own list of procedures. They include products and knowledge which you will gain during the training. ZENA Cosmetics is a well-known brand of professional cosmetics which has gained popularity all over the world due to high-quality products and effective treatment of many cosmetics problems. We are proud to be a choice of thousands of beauty professionals all over the world who use our products to treat cosmetics problems of their clients. We want to offer you Algae Peeling Starter Kit. This is amazing natural peel that has shown its effectiveness in treating of many problems like scar reducing, treating acne and pigmentation. As you know, it's hypoallergenic and you can use it in the different places on your body. Algae Peeling Starter Kit includes cleansing gel, skin toner, soap form, natural peeling algae, post-treatment gel and sunblock cream. The products contained in the kit will be enough for 10 to 20 procedures. Depends on the application. It will help you to return your investment after the first service provided. As well, during the training, you will receive a lot of information about the peeling, about how to prepare the skin for the procedure, about contraindications and recommendations. As well, you can ask your questions during the training and after that you will get the training protocol.